Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the game version and server rules so you don't risk a ban. Once done, download the compatible AutoPetter build and install required dependencies into the correct folder. Make sure paths match the game client. You should back up saves and configuration files now so recovery is simple. This first action sequence gets you safe and ready. It prevents wasted effort and keeps you reversible if anything behaves unexpectedly. You now configure the tool. Open the config file and set petting interval, keybinds, and target selection so behavior matches your playstyle. Once configured, integrate it with the game by running in a private or offline session to validate inputs. Make sure to adjust delays and introduce slight randomness so actions appear human. This reduces detection risk. If you encounter timing issues, tweak millisecond values and retest until responses align with in-game animation windows and cooldowns. You finish by running a monitored live test and watching for misfires, input conflicts, or performance drops. Once satisfied, limit runtime and enable a manual override key so you can stop the AutoPetter instantly. If the tool is blocked or game updates break it, revert to your backup, update the tool, and inspect logs for errors. This helps identify whether rules or compatibility changed. Finally, make incremental tweaks and retest. Small iterations preserve safety and keep behavior predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.